Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zucchini stew. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of fresh zucchini, 1 large onion, and 3 medium, ripe tomatoes. Don't forget 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced, to add a wonderful aroma. These fresh components form the delicious base of our hearty and flavorful stew, ensuring a delightful culinary experience for everyone at your table. Now, let's prepare our vegetables for cooking. First, wash and trim your zucchini, then cut it into uniform 1-inch cubes. Next, dice the large onion and 3 medium tomatoes into similar, bite-sized pieces. Finally, mince your 2 cloves of garlic very finely. Consistent sizing helps everything cook evenly, ensuring each spoonful of stew offers a perfect blend of textures and tastes. It's time to start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté the diced onion and minced garlic until fragrant, about 3 minutes. Then, add the zucchini and tomatoes, cooking for approximately 10 minutes. Pour in 1 cup of vegetable broth, season with salt and pepper, and simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Your delicious zucchini stew is almost ready to enjoy. Just before serving, stir in 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley for a burst of color and flavor. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve your perfect balance. Serve this warm, comforting stew as a delightful main course or a flavorful side dish, perhaps garnished with a dollop of plain yogurt or a sprinkle of your favorite cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.